Welcome back. Well, we have a very busy weekend coming up, and in 2 weekends actually, back to back. Actually, this is the same weekend. This is not this weekend, it's next weekend, right?
It is correct.
Okay,
yes.
well, I have Jennifer Becker here, who is with the Pet Expo, and we also had Duncan on about a week ago about the boat show. So you are very busy trying to get the word out on all of these things.
Boats and pets.
Boats and pets, that's right. So let's talk a little bit about the Pet Expo that is coming up, and it's going to be at the OC Fair.
Correct, yes. We have the America's Family Pet Expo. This is the 30th year of the Expo. It's out at the OC Fair and Event Center next weekend, April 26th through the 28th.
Okay, all right. So it's going to be at the OC Fair. And what are the hours? It's all day?
All day. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday it starts at 10 a.m., but we really recommend arriving early because parking does fill up. This is a huge event, very popular, so you want to arrive early. So.
Yeah, you were saying you get about 50,000 people.
Last year we had a record-breaking attendance, so we had more than 50,000 people come through from Friday through Sunday, and almost close to 700 adoptions.
Well, that's right, and you've got all kinds of animals there. Tell me about what types of animals.
We do. So we have adoptable animals. We have dogs, cats, rabbits. We even have a few hamsters, guinea pigs. But then also we have a lot of education. And the show's produced by the World Pet Association, and their primary mission is to educate the public about responsible pet care and ownership.
Okay.
So with that, we have animal entertainment. There's a stunt dog show featuring rescue dogs, which is really fun. We have the dock diving dogs, which they run and jump off into the water. And we have hundreds of exhibitors with the latest pet products and pet trends. And we have a couple new things this year too.
Yeah, you were saying, okay, so we've got something called the Lab. So what is that going to be?
So the Lab is a huge interactive, it's almost a show within a show. So for example, this year we'll have Just Food for Dogs. They'll be doing dog food cooking demonstrations.
Oh.
Yeah, the newest trend in dog food is actually either preparing it yourself or buying it fresh from a company like Just Food for Dogs.
Right.
And they'll show you how to do that. And this year you can actually bring your dog. So with an admission ticket of $10, you can bring your dog to enjoy the expo along with you.
Man, I don't know. That sounds like something crazy waiting to happen. Of all these dogs
It'll
everywhere.
Be a lot of fun.
Oh my gosh, it'll be very exciting.
Yeah.
Then we also have something called Kids Pet Care Course.
Yes, and this is new to the expo this year too. It's taught by licensed pet owners. Pet trainers rather.
Okay.
And for a ticket, you have to register in advance, and your child will learn how to be a responsible pet owner.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
that's perfect. And will they be able to if they bring their dog, can they bring the dog to that class?
I believe so, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good training, good training. Now, something I had never heard of, the Mo Show, the cat rapper.
Yes, we have we have Mo, and he's actually an Instagram sensation, and he raps about cat care, and he's got his cat, and so he'll be rapping fun tunes and, and rhyming, and that will be in the TICA building, which is the cat building. TICA is the International Cat Association, so they show all the specialty breeds. So he'll kind of add a new something new to there too as well. So
I'll say, I mean, it sounds like, so if you want to follow this Mo Show, the cat rapper, it's at AM Mo Show?
I Am Mo Show.
Oh, I Am Mo Show.
Yep,
okay.
on Instagram.
I Am Mo Show.
Yeah, he has about 224,000 followers on Instagram.
Oh, wow.
And people are super excited about him.
Wow.
Yeah, he's really fun.
Oh, that'll be a hoot. All right, and then we have the All-Star Stunt Dog Show.
Yes, so this is the stunt dogs. They're rescue dogs, and they're trained by Chris Perondi. And the show will be going on all weekend, so the dogs will catch frisbees, flips, tricks, everything. So the stunt dog shows are always super popular, and what's great is that they actually feature rescue dogs.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
You know, there's so much to see. Can you really see it all in one day?
It's tough. So you can even do 2 days, but that's why we say arrive early, because we want everyone to have an opportunity to experience everything that the expo has.
Okay, and then in addition to the things that we already mentioned, you've got a butterfly walkthrough. Is it sort of an
It's
terrarium type thing?
an enclosure. So you walk
Okay.
through, and if you're still enough and calm enough, the butterflies will actually land on you, which is really fun.
Oh, did they provide any food or anything? Because sometimes they give sugar water.
Yeah. So, and there's so many of them in there, and you're just really still, and they'll come land.
Oh, that's nice. And then police and protection dog demonstrations.
So this is the Anaheim Police Department. They
Okay.
come out every year, and it's an educational opportunity for the public to learn how police dogs are trained to protect and serve the public.
Okay, great. And then an aquatic touch tank.
Yeah, so Orange Coast College, their marine biology department, they come out with a huge touch tank of different marine organisms. So they have everything from living coral to sea rays, starfish. And it's really a fun opportunity to see these native creatures up close, and you can touch them.
Gosh, everything. And then one last thing I'll mention is the free flight bird show.
Yeah, so this is Joe Crothwall. He's been with the Pet Expo for a while now, and he brings his huge birds, and from parrots to condors style birds, and I mean it's a remarkable performance.
Does he have them fly?
He does.
Okay.
They fly throughout the expo,
Okay.
and then they come back to him.
Man, that's great.
Yeah,
All
it's
right,
fun.
very good. Boy, so much to see and do. Okay, so let's talk about when it is again. It is Friday, April 26th.
Correct,
Through
yes.
Sunday,
April 28th.
the 28th, right, okay. And then you can buy tickets online now?
Yes, you can buy
Okay.
tickets online
Okay.
up until a day before the show. So
Okay.
Thursday night, up till Thursday night, you can buy tickets online, or you can buy them at the box office.
Okay.
And they actually do have special senior pricing of
Right.
$14.
Okay, perfect. Okay, good. And then kids 5 and under are free, and active and retired military are also free.
Yes, so you just have
That's
to bring your
excellent.
valid ID,
Okay.
and you can receive complimentary admission.
Okay.
And yeah, kids under 5 are free, and kids 6 to 11 are $11. So it's a
11,
great
yeah.
opportunity for grandparents to bring their grandchildren.
All right, so awesome. Okay, so for our viewers, we have free tickets. So if you are the first folks, I mean, we have about 5 tickets each. We'll be able to get to 5 people, or maybe we'll give you 2 tickets each. We need you to email us at lagunawoodsvillagetv@gmail.com. So you can see that right there. That's lagunawoodsvillagetv@gmail.com. And we will give you a couple of tickets to the Pet Expo, or you can have tickets to the Newport Boat Show. So
Yes.
perfect. We've got just so much going on. I love it.
So much, yes. So you can't stay home next weekend. 'cause
No,
there's
it
too
looks
much
like I got
to do.
stuff to do for sure.
And it's all
so.
close by.
I know it is. It is. All right. Well, thank you so much.
Thanks for
Super
having me.
information.
Yeah, this is always fun.
Good luck.
Thanks.
And remember, you can always go to petexpooc.org. We'll be right back.